Hi guys, I just recently bought the Galaxy Buds Core. These ones here were released mid 2025. So these buds are for someone who just wants to have audio pumping in their ears or just simply do not have deep pockets. If you have enough money, you can just simply go for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or the Galaxy Buds 3. I bought these on the Samsung website for only $799, which is about 800 rands. So these are your tips. Depending on your ear size, you can adjust between these and the ones that actually come with the case or with the buds themselves. And I'm not sure about this, but these left and right, they just look like bands. I will look at these a bit later on. I like the case. It's nice and glossy. So immediately when you open these, you can see the case just flashes. So they come in black and white colors and are IP54 rated, meaning they have moderate protection against dust and can only withstand light showers or rainfall. They couldn't be submerged into water. And yes, they are compatible with SmartThings, and you can also pair them on the Samsung Wearables app. That's it from me. Wishing you guys a happy new year. Stay safe and take care. See you in 2026. Cheers.